Celebrating 20 years in business, Total Image Group reflects on a journey shaped by a vision to create uniforms that elevate brands and empower teams. From day one, TIG has been guided by its core values: passion, quality, game changers, teamwork, and community. These values aren't just words, they are the essence of every decision, design, and partnership, driving TIG's purpose and impact. Since founding Total Image Group in 2005 with a vision to create fashion-forward, fit-for-purpose uniforms that authentically represent brands and their people, we've achieved some incredible milestones. From landing major clients to expanding our reach, nationally and beyond, every step of our journey has been fueled by our strong client relationships and our commitment to innovation and quality. Over the years, we've designed and produced hundreds of thousands of uniforms, each reflecting our dedication to excellence. Our portfolio is filled with lasting partnerships, and our growth speaks to the trust and commitment we've cultivated together. It's this dedication to quality and our collaborative spirit that has driven our growth and success, and I couldn't be prouder of what we've achieved. At TIG, corporate social responsibility is woven into the fabric of who we are. Sustainability is at the heart of our approach, with a commitment to reducing our environmental impact through responsible sourcing, innovative design, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Our goal is not only to create quality uniforms, but to do so in a way that respects our planet and supports our communities. We embrace sustainable practices, participate in local initiatives, and continually seek to make a difference in the communities that support us. Product evolution and innovation are central to TIG's vision. While our commitment to quality and style remains unchanged, TIG's designs have adapted to meet the evolving needs of our clients and the environment. We're passionate about what we do, and we're always looking for ways to do it better. By listening to client feedback, embracing trends, and incorporating sustainable practices, we create uniforms that not only look great, but are made responsibly. The future of uniforms is fashion-forward, functional, and full of possibility, and we're super excited to be leading the way. The TIG team is the driving force behind the company's success. Over the years, we've nurtured a culture of collaboration, inclusivity, and respect, creating a workplace where everyone feels valued and inspired. Many team members have been with us from the very beginning, bringing dedication and creativity that drives TIG forward. Our clients too have become partners, entrusting us to represent their brands with designs that reflect their values and identity. Together, we make a positive impact from our local communities to the brands we represent. Looking to the future, Total Image Group's vision is bigger than ever. We plan to explore new markets and build innovative partnerships. Our goal is to keep creating fashionable, fit-for-purpose uniforms that people are proud to wear, while setting an example in social and environmental responsibility.